Coming to you from the innovative, immersive Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere. This is Next Weather.
Wicked.
Yeah.
Not the movie.
No.
Or the Broadway show. The winds.
Woo.
Wow.
Yeah. Gust almost 60 miles per hour today up around Mount Pocono.
Really?
Yeah. Kind of crazy.
I'll get you, my pretty.
Is that the wind is
That's the
talking
wind.
about?
That's
Is that
the wind.
weather sphere that we're in? All right. So hey, check this out. By the way, Uke into the weather sphere.
How about
Welcome.
that? Thank you.
You like what we've done
Pleasure.
with the place?
May I come back? Yes, I do.
You may at any point in time. In fact, what we're going to do is we're going to open up the windows here.
Okay.
This is our live look over Center City.
Wow.
We're absolutely loving what's going on.
You open that up, that means I have to exit?
You're out.
That's what I thought.
You're out. All right. Hey, everyone. Let me show you what's going on. I want to bring up our map and talk about where we stand right now in and around our area. Well, we got temperatures into the 40s. There we go. 47 in Philly right now. Last Wednesday, we were in the 20s. We topped out at 20. We were in the teens, not even counting the wind chill at this time. I mean, look back into our western areas. We are into the 40s, shore locations into the 40s. So if you're going out this evening, yes, it's still breezy, but what we are tracking is the winds that are going to start calming down. And of course, that's nice. And they are southerly winds, and that's, whoa, hello, walk right through that. That's what has brought us the relatively warm conditions around the area. Looking live at Ocean City, and you can see that it's quiet out this evening. We're not tracking rain or anything like that. Winds still gusting up to near 50 miles per hour around Mount Pocono, 49 currently. Winds gusting up to 25, maybe 30 miles per hour up and down the I-95 corridor. But just in at the top of the hour, National Weather Service has expired the wind advisory. So there's no advisory out right now. It's still breezy, but those thresholds have dropped below that. So the rest of this evening, looking out over the next 8 hours or so, we're going to stay well above freezing through about midnight. Then we'll drop near freezing, if not below, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. The winds will remain breezy throughout the night tonight, but not tomorrow. Tomorrow is a fairly calm day, relatively speaking. Look, anywhere up to about 10 miles per hour. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures will be much cooler. Today we're 53. Tomorrow, probably around that 41 to 43 degree range around the region. Clouds will thicken up. This is tomorrow night at 11 o'clock. We're going into our next weather maker, which is Friday, and you start to see the green on the map, which is the rain. This is an all-rain event. Now, it's not going to rain all day Friday, meaning starting at 6 or 7 a.m. and just raining continuously until 11 o'clock. But the chance of rain is all day long, meaning that you'll have some rain, then you'll get some breaks. You have some rain, you get some breaks. And that will be the trend right up until the evening. Look at this. I'm going to pause this at around 9 o'clock. Now we start to see a little blue on the map just outside of our area. That's that colder air filtering on in. But it will be dry, and by Saturday, that cooler air filters in, and it's a dry weekend, just trending much cooler. So future rain, we're looking anywhere between about a half an inch, maybe in spots 3/4 to an inch of rain. Not a flooding event, but we are going to be looking at some localized ponding and that type of a thing. So when we put it all together in your 7-day forecast, numbers are kind of all over the board. We got 44 tomorrow, 51 for you on Friday despite the rain. Then we drop it down into the 30s on Saturday. So 30s, 40s, and 50s over the next 3 days. Then we do it again the beginning of next week. 50s, 40s, and 30s. Talk about a roller coaster ride as we end the month. It's going to be relatively warm for the end of the month, but the month has been so cool. And then we're going to get into February, start cool and kind of bounce it all over the place. We don't have any snow or rain over the extended forecast past Friday, but we'll keep a close eye on that. We get into February. It generally is our snowiest month, so we keep a close eye. That is Look at Weather Forecast. We'll be right back.